Hey, what's up everybody? Chris back with another Proto Tech Tip, and today I want to switch gears a little bit from our usual weekly tech tip videos to tell you about something very important to us at Protocase and Protospace MFG, and that's being dedicated to supporting student competitions that nurture innovation and excellence. Let me tell you why we do it and why we love to do it. So let's get into it. So in a world driven by rapid advances in technology, fostering the next generation of scientists and engineers is going to be more crucial than ever. At Protocase and Protospace MFG, we believe in empowering young minds, which is why we proudly sponsor student engineering competitions around the world. These competitions serve as a powerful platform to not only spark creativity and innovation among students within the science and engineering fields, but also business and project management. By investing in these competitions, we are also contributing to a future where innovation knows no bounds. So before I get into why we sponsor, let's talk about what we sponsor. We support many different students and teams in a variety of engineering-focused initiatives and university projects, but we are also a major sponsor for these four premier competitions: the Mars Society's University Rover Challenge and the Canadian International Rover Challenge, Spaceport America Cup, and Launch Canada. These competitions have long been a catalyst for innovation. They inspire students to think outside the box, push technological boundaries, and apply their theoretical knowledge to real-world challenges. At both the Canadian International Rover Challenge and the University Rover Challenge, students are required to design and build Mars rovers capable of navigating challenging terrains, and to be honest, it's probably as close as possible to a simulated Mars surface. And it demands resilience and teamwork from multiple disciplines, from robotics to software to science and mechanical and electrical engineering. With Spaceport America Cup and Launch Canada, it too challenges its students within multiple disciplines, but to design, build, and most importantly launch rockets. It's a rigorous testing of engineering technicality while meeting stringent safety standards to achieve successful flights and deployments during different altitudes. It's really quite amazing, actually. Finally, what we offer to these competitions is the opportunity for every student team registered an InKind manufacturing credit, which can be used for custom sheet metal, CNC machined, or 3D printed parts, enclosures, and components. For these competitions themselves, we also custom manufacture critical parts that are going to be used to enhance the experience for the student teams when performing missions and tasks. Now that's a lot about what we sponsor. How about why we sponsor? Freeing students' time. Our manufacturing credit allows students to focus more on designing and testing their rockets and rovers rather than spending excessive hours fabricating parts. By leveraging our expertise, they can allocate more time to the numerous other critical aspects of their projects, enabling iteration and testing. Innovation thrives on testing and refinement. With our ultra-fast manufacturing lead times, student teams receive their parts swiftly, allowing ample time for thorough testing and problem solving. Now let's be honest, nobody wants to work 12 months on a design and have it not even operate during the competition. Professional experience. Competing students gain valuable real-world experience by interacting with the professional manufacturing process. This experience prepares them for future careers in science, engineering, aerospace, and related fields, giving them a significant edge as they enter the workforce. Now the last reason, and honestly this might be a personal one, but it's something I do hear a lot of when fellow coworkers get to experience these events for themselves, it's contagious. To see the dedication, the work ethic, team camaraderie, and just the sheer innovation is absolutely astounding. Now I'll end on this note. At Protocase and Protospace MFG, sponsoring competitions is more than just providing financial support. We see ourselves as partners in the process of pushing the boundaries of each competition that we're going to be a part of. By collaborating with student teams, we aim to enhance their experience and enable them to realize their own creative visions for projects going forward. Our involvement goes beyond just HR and recruitment at these events. It's about fostering meaningful connections and contributing to the growth of our future leaders in science and engineering. Now going forward, if you are watching this video and you and your company feel the same way about supporting STEM education, then explore the possibilities and think about being a part of the movement to push the boundaries of science and innovation together with us. So that's it for this week. Until next time, take care.